The price will go up in few minutes. Set the stop loss below here. Then set the take profit 2 times above the stop loss. So, it's time to see how this trade performs. It turns out to be a profitable trade. Hey traders, welcome to the Hyper Trade YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to reveal my one of the best and very profitable trading strategy. The strategy I will be using this time is Heiken Ashi strategy for scalping. This strategy works with any kind of market. You can use this strategy to trade Forex, cryptocurrency, stocks, or gold. This strategy is easy to use and beginner-friendly. Anyone can trade and start making profits with this strategy. Please watch this video until the end to see how much profit we can make by using this strategy. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the Hyper Trade YouTube channel so you don't miss out the new strategies from Hyper Trade. In this strategy, first we will need to set up our trading chart to Heiken Ashi. If you use TradingView, please follow me to set the Heiken Ashi chart. First, select this candle icon at the top of the panel. Then select the Heiken Ashi. Now make sure your chart looks like this. In this strategy, we will need 2 technical indicators. They are 200 EMA and MACD indicator. Our first indicator is EMA or Exponential Moving Average. In TradingView, this indicator is called as Moving Average Exponential. Please add this indicator into your chart. Do not forget our custom parameters. We will need to change the length to 200. Our second indicator is MACD. You can find the MACD indicator in the TradingView indicators list. Add this indicator into your chart. We are using default parameters, so we don't need to change anything. This is how our chart looks like after setting up the Heiken Ashi and adding all the indicators. If you missed something, please go back to the Heiken Ashi section. As we can see in our chart, now we have all the indicators needed for our first trade. Let's get into our first buy example. Our buy conditions are simple. First, the MACD must cross over. Second, the price must above 200 EMA. And the last condition is, the color of Heiken Ashi must green. As we can see in our screen, the MACD crossover happened here. Then the price is above 200 EMA. And then the color of Heiken Ashi is green. We should prepare our long trade here. Set the stop loss below here. Then set the take profit 2 times above the stop loss. So, it's time to see how this trade performs. It turns out to be a profitable trade. Very great. As you can see here, the strategy makes profit for the first time. This time we have our second long trade entry here. You can clearly see the MACD crossover happened here. Then the price is above 200 EMA. And the color of Heiken Ashi is green. It's our time to enter a long trade again. Set your stop loss just below here. Then set take profit 2 times above the stop loss. Let's find out the results. This trade turned out to be profitable. We just found a strategy that has a high profitability. But so far we have only tested the long trades. In the real market there, people may want to also trade short with this strategy. Let's move into example short trades. This will be our first short trade example. Our conditions is actually a reversed version of our long conditions. First, the MACD must cross below. Second, the price must below 200 EMA. Finally, the color of Heiken Ashi must red. As we can see in our screen, the MACD cross did happen here. The price is below 200 EMA, and the color of Heiken Ashi is red. We should prepare our short trade here. Set the stop loss above here. Then set the take profit 2 times below the stop loss. So, it's time to see how this trade performs. It turns out to be a profitable trade. Very great. Let's get into our next short trade. We have our second short entry here. You can clearly see the MACD cross happened here. The price is below 200 EMA, and the color of Heiken Ashi is red. It's our time to enter a short trade again. Set your stop loss at above here, and set the take profit 2 times below the stop loss. Let's find out the results. This trade ended up being profitable. We've just discovered a highly profitable trading strategy, both for long and short trades. However, traders should not rely solely on these results. Instead, they should backtest the strategy with historical market data. Backtesting usually takes around 100 trades to be completed. After backtesting is done, if the strategy is still profitable, traders can move on to paper trading. Paper trading is a trading simulation where traders can practice buying and selling without risking any real money. If they win a trade, they don't make any money, but if they lose, they don't lose any either. There's a lot that goes into this strategy, such as backtesting it up to 100 trades and streaming my paper trades live. If you're interested for more strategies, consider subscribing to the Hyper Trade channel. Stay tuned for our next video and thanks for watching.